So in this problem, we have to find the electron configuration of the atom below and write it in noble gas configuration. So the first step is to identify what the element is. So we can count up all the electrons because they'll be the same as the protons. So we have 1, 2, so that's 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 8. Then 1, just 1. So we add all these up and we get 11. So that means this is going to be sodium. So then we can use our knowledge of electron configurations to find the electron configuration in expanded form of this atom. So first we'll do the S. So we have one S and that's going to have 2. Then we move on to 2S, and so that's going to have another 2. Then we're still not done. We only have 4. So we're going to move to 2p, which has an x, y, and a z. So we can have 6. So don't get that mixed up with the s's. And this has currently 10. So that means we have 1 left over. So we're going to move to 3s, but it's only going to be 1. So now we can check it and go 2, 4, 10, 11. So this is correct. It adds up to 11. So this is it in expanded form, but it says to write it in noble gas configuration. So what we do is we just see the last term because this will add up to 10. And so we know that neon is the 10th element. So what we'll say is that this is neon and then 3s1. And so now we have the answer.